Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to do the unboxing for April's box for the stationery selection. Here it is. This is the last month that you will be getting the cover page like this. From May box onwards, we've decided to use like a printer, just because like this is really pretty. I love the paper. But we've been printing it at home and hand cutting them to size, and it just takes a bit, even if it's like an hour saved, it's important to me. So we decided to use printers for May. So there's the welcome sheet, and here are the items. So here are the items in the box. You can press pause if you'd like. So let's I'm just going to go down this list here. First thing on the list is the Chamille Garden stamp, and not everybody received this particular style. There were various different styles. I get this request a lot to include these stamps. It's just a lot of people already have them, so I don't think I will be including any more Chamille Garden in the future. Yeah, I just feel like a lot of people already have them, and I just try my best not to have like duplicates. But anyways, a lot of people requested this, so here it is, the Chamille Garden stamp, and this is probably the last time I will be including one of these stamps in the box. Sorry, this is part of the cafe line. And with this stamp is the stamp pad. This is the VersaFine in smoky gray, and it's not too big. It's a nice travel size. I chose like I could have chosen black or something like that, but I decided to do a color that I guess not a lot of people have, or yeah, I'm guessing a lot of people already have black ink. The next one on the list is the Classici and Toraneko Bonbon. It's a double-sided note card. You can see there. It's a double-sided. These are made in Japan, and I think everything in this kit today, in the April box, is made in Japan. My mistake, I think I wrote double-sided, but it's actually not double-sided, it's single-sided, but there's two designs. I don't know why I assumed that they were double-sided when I looked at the packaging, but they are single-sided, and they are just two different designs. They're really cute. They're like hand-drawn type of images, and they're really great for writing messages or little memos in your planner. I think I saw somebody, I was looking at the stationery selection hashtag, and somebody used them in their planners, and it was really nice idea. So there's two designs there from Classici and Toraneko Bonbon. The next one on the list is the Midori MD Note, and this is in the cotton. This is in the A6 size and in the cotton. The last time we've included the Midori Note, it was like a set of 3 notebooks. It was several months back, and we also included the A6 cover, the paper cover. So this time I wanted to include an actual notebook, and because the MD Note is, I guess, more common, I wanted to do something different, and I included the cotton one instead. So you can see there, I don't want to open this one because maybe I will give it away, I'm not sure, but I already have mine here, and I've already started using it, and you will see some bits, I guess, in the next box. I've made some stickers, but yeah, so I kind of did some watercoloring and some things like that. You can see there. And that's what it looks like. It's a really nice thick paper. I mean, it's not too thick, it's not like sketch paper or anything, but it feels really nice to use your watercolor. And I think the most recent blog post is probably already up now. There is a blog post by Connie, and she uses her MD Note. And you can check it out there. She drew some really beautiful pictures of her plants and things, so check out the blog post as well. Next on the list are the Nihongo flashcards, and this again, there was 2 different styles, so some people got this one and then some got another one, and I just thought it was cute. It has like the various different like I guess they're popular desserts, and it has explanations. So this is a cream soda and you say cream soda. And then on the back it says it's a melon soda float. It's a sugary neon green soft drink, and it really is a bright neon green. It has a fruity flavor but doesn't contain melon at all. I actually don't really like it, but it's just really interesting to see because it's very bright, and it has roll cake, roru keiki, and also has hotto keiki, which is like a really thick pancake. And this one has kocha, which is tea. So there's that, and then the other one has some different designs. Next on the list, Sunny Sunday washi tape. And here it is. It's with Sunny Sunday and papier plaits. Let me open it up for you. This is like the collage ones. They have several designs that are out, but they're quite popular now. And I just felt that the collage went well with like the stamping and like this type of like hand-drawn lines, like hand-drawn drawings. Like, I don't know if you see the color. Let me pull the tape out so you can see the color. I just felt like it kind of went well with like this color scheme. I don't know, maybe I'm overthinking things, but I just felt like it went well. Like, you can use that stamp to stamp on top of the tape and add. I'm really into like collages, so I just thought it would go well with that. So there's that. The next on the list is a uni Jetstream. I love Jetstream. My first encounter with the Jetstream is the white barrel one. It's very, very common here, as a white barrel and then a black grip. And then I encountered it again for my Hobonichi. Like, you know how Hobonichi Techo sends a free pen with your order? I just really, really like a simple and very what's the word I'm looking for? Reliable ballpoint pen, and so I chose the Jetstream. I chose this one because I haven't seen this body before. This is just a khaki body, and it looks like that. And I think it was this khaki body is new, so I'm trying to include things that are, I guess, a little bit harder to find overseas or that are kind of newer on the market here in Japan. And this is in the black ink in 05. And oh, I already went over the VersaFine ink. And then the last one are these Wafu Seal. These are Sakura stickers. And I know right now, actually in Toronto and in Ontario, the Sakura are nice. They're nicely out and they're in full bloom now. So actually it's a perfect time for, I guess, maybe North American cities. I'm not sure about other places in the world. Here in Japan, unfortunately, it's already finished, but you can never have enough Sakura stickers. These are really, really pretty, and I don't know if you can see, but they're like Japanese paper, and they have like these pretty gold flecks. I'm sorry, the glare is probably not helping. But you can see like it's a special type of, like the paper sticker type is like Japanese style. So there's that, and that's it for April. So just a little bit of an update. In the beginning of the video I mentioned about this piece being our last one. So this is the new one. We've used printers and it helped a lot. And just to let you know, there's like the item description on the back side of it. So there's a little bit of an update there. And in this maze box, I know it's already sold out, but I did create some stickers. I just wanted to give it a shot. I'm not 100% happy with it, but I guess it was a nice learning experience, and hopefully we want to kind of create our own type of like stickers and washi tape and things like that. So we're slowly, whenever I have time, I'm slowly kind of branching out into those kinds of things. And Yeah, I really appreciate the suggestions of things that you kind of want to see in the boxes. I know I get a lot of requests for Shamil Garden, but like I said, this is probably the last time we'll include one of these stamps. It's just that so many people already have them already, and a lot of the famous like Shamil Garden and what's the other one? Like I like the famous brands, a lot of people already have them, so I'm trying not to include them in the boxes, or even if they were included in the boxes, maybe you can oh, the other one is Classici. A lot of people are asking for Shamil Garden and Classici, but with Classici I feel like you can easily gift it to somebody. If I include like a Classici plate, they're already packaged separately in a box, and you can easily, you know, present it as a gift to somebody else. Like they're really nice ceramic plates, so I'm not too concerned about that. It's just like these Shamil Garden stamps and things make it a little bit more difficult, but please, I really appreciate everyone's suggestions on things that you'd like to see in the future. Another request I get often, of course, are the exclusive items like the Traveler's Factory or Traveler's Company items. And of course I thought about it. That's one of like the first places I thought about, are including those like you know, the Narita edition so and so or whatever, but they really are exclusive to just those stores. So it's really difficult to, not even difficult, I'm not able to obtain those products unless I obtain the products myself, like in small quantities. I go to the store and I purchase them and then I resell them, and that's not what I really want to do. There are already Etsy sellers and eBay sellers that do that. They're resellers, and that's what they do. They purchase them in Japan and then they resell them, but I'm not, I just don't have the ability to do that. I'm not located in Tokyo, and it's just a whole, I can't buy these items in bulk, and they're limited to these stores. And unfortunately, a lot of the items and products are limited to Japan only, and I don't want to step on their toes. Like I don't want to get these companies angry or upset. I don't want to break their I guess their rule that they have. They say that for example, there are certain masking tapes that I cannot purchase. They don't want me to send overseas, so of course I'm going to abide with that. I'm not going to break that rule or anything. Sometimes some of those companies or some of those places already have distributors in different areas of the world, and they want to stick to that, and that's totally fine. I don't want to step on their toes, like I said. So I hope you understand, but I still really appreciate everyone's suggestions and comments and things that you like to see in the box. You know, sometimes I'm looking only one way and I don't see all the lovely stationery things, so I really do appreciate it when people tag me or let me know, oh, I want to see this thing in the box, or yeah, it's just really helpful. I'm not on social media often. I mean, I am, but lately I've been kind of trying to concentrate on this and my family. My little one, my younger one, she's getting older. She's closer to 2 now, so she needs a lot of my attention during the daytime. Her naps are getting shorter. Yeah, and that's my priority, is my family. Sorry, I'm rambling on, but yes, I hope you understand, and yeah, please keep those suggestions coming. So this is the April box. If you have any questions, let me know. Right now we're sold out of May and June, but I am trying my best to restock for June, so please stay tuned for that. Stay tuned on Instagram and on Facebook. Okay, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.